Hi, I'm Lindsay from Everyday Dishes, and today I want to talk to you about eating a more plant-based diet. If you're like me and you don't go completely vegan or vegetarian, that's okay. It still benefits you to incorporate more plant-based meals into your weekly meal plan. But it can feel intimidating. I mean, I grew up eating vegetables as a side dish, not as the main course. Luckily, I found a solution. Purple Carrot. It's a meal delivery service that sends 100% plant-based meals right to your front door. They take the guesswork out of eating plant-based. They send you the recipes, they give you the groceries, heck, they even teach you how to prepare it with simple step-by-step instructions. You can't mess it up, trust me. I made 3 easy, delicious recipes from them this week. Check it out. Those recipes were bomb, right? You're ready to get them sent to your front door? Check out Purple Carrot. It's a delicious, easy way to eat more plants.